Picture this. You're making $500+ every month watching videos. In today's video, I will show you how you can make money online by watching videos in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Grab your phone or computer. Step 2. Watch a video. Step 3. Make money. The best thing is that you can make up to $3 for every video you watch. If you watch only 6 videos per day, at the end of the month, you can make $540. Yes, every month, you can earn $540 just by watching videos. But before we start, welcome to Make Your Bucks, where we teach you legit ways of how to make money online. Now let's get back to the video. The website where you can earn money is GG2U. On your browser, if you type GG2U in the search bar, you need to select the first option that comes up, and this is the website. The best part about this website is that you get a $1 sign-up bonus. You just create a free account and boom, you make $1. Isn't that great? Now if you're wondering, it is completely free to sign up to the website, and you can do this from anywhere in the world. It does not matter whether you're from Nigeria, the United States, India, or Canada. You will be able to make money from this website no matter which country you're from. Comment down below and let me know where you're from so I can make more videos which will help you earn money in your country. Also, as you can see here, there are different forms of payment available. You can choose to get paid via PayPal, Bitcoin, or even e-gift cards. The e-gift card option, however, only works if you are less than 18 years old and you cannot use PayPal or Coinbase. Choose a payout method which is most convenient for you. One thing worth mentioning is that, if you look here, it says that our surveys and offer wall offers will give you the best payout rates in the industry. Look at those percentages, 65% to 85%. That is so much more than all the other websites pay out. And this is good for you, because you will ultimately be able to make more money. Let me walk you through the registration. Right here, you just need to enter your first name and your email address. Then pick a username that you like and enter it here. You'll also need to enter a password that you will use every time you log into your account. Select your country from the drop-down menu here. As you can see, there's a list of so many countries. Finally, you need to tick this box, and this will confirm that you have read the terms and conditions of the website. Now you're ready to complete the sign-up process. Just click on this big orange button, and a free account will be created for you. Once you sign up, you'll be taken to this page. Welcome to GG2U. This page explains how the website works, and there is a very important piece of information here. Right here it says, we will credit you $1 for every 100 coins. Once you reach just $7, you can request a payout to a PayPal account or Coinbase Bitcoin email address. This means you can only request for a payout after you've made a minimum of $7 while watching videos. Now click on the big orange button right here. You will be taken to a page like this, where if you keep scrolling, you will see that there are many surveys you can do to get coins. Let's take the first offer as an example. If you do this survey, you will get 550 coins, and that's equivalent to $5.50 in US dollars. Because remember that for each 100 coins you make, you earn $1 US. But in this video, we'll focus on how to make money watching videos. So scroll to the bottom of the page and click on I am done with this page right here. And you will be directed to your account, where there will be so much more opportunity for you to earn money. Now if you want, you can still do the surveys to get more coins and thus more money. You don't need to limit yourself. Now this is what your account page should look like. As you can see here, this is the $1 I received just for signing up and creating my account. All I need to do to get my first payment is to earn $6 more, and I can request a payout. This is how you can make money online too. As you can see, there are lots of ways for you to earn coins on this website. You can play games to earn coins if you click on gaming offers. You can do surveys, and last but not least, you can watch videos and earn coins. Before I show you how to make money watching videos, let's take a look at all these companies right here. Peanut Labs, AdSend Media, Lootably. All these companies provide you an opportunity to make money. If you click on, say, AdSend Media, you will be taken to the company's page where you will be able to complete surveys, download mobile apps, or do free trials to earn money. So there are so many ways that you can earn money just on this one website. If you're liking the video so far, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and continue watching the video as this is the most important step you need to know. Since we want to make money watching videos, click on the videos button right here. This shall open a page like this. As you can see, for every 200 video points you earn, you will receive a silver token, which will add $1 to $3 to your account balance. So with every single video that you watch, you can earn up to $3. If you scroll down, you'll see that you can earn video points by watching any of the offers below. And the good thing is that you have so many different categories to choose from. If you love food, you can watch videos on food. You can watch videos on music, celebrities, and so much more. This means that you can make money online for a very long time using this method. Now stay tuned to the video, as I will show you an example of exactly how this process works. As you scroll down, you will see that there are so many offers here. If you click on the orange button next to Hideout TV, you will be directed to this page right here. This is the Hideout TV page, and you can watch videos here to earn points, which can be converted to money. This short video right here is an example of a video that you can watch to earn points. Just watching videos like these, you can make up to $1 to $3 per video. Isn't that just mind-blowing? Now is the time for the tips that I promised you at the beginning of the video. Tip number 1. When you are watching a video, I want you to go to the gear setting right here and select 240p, which is the lowest setting. You should watch all videos in this setting. This is because watching these videos consumes a lot of your internet speed, and by setting it to 240p, you avoid that situation. Thus, you can watch multiple videos at the same time on your phone and even computer and make maximum money. Tip number 2. You need to watch the whole video from start to end in order to get points for watching the video. Do not skip to any part in the video, as by doing so, you will not earn any points. Tip number 3. You can directly choose any video from the up next videos right here once you've already watched one video. There's no need for you to go back to GG2U to select another video. Choose any of the videos available here on Hideout TV and you will earn points. Don't forget that these points will be converted to money, and then you will be able to request a payout. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel so that you can watch similar content and you can continue to make money online. Until next time, take care!